Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Anker Prime 100 watt charger. So it's got foldable prongs on the back, and the prongs are also frosted so that they stick in the wall outlet. This is kind of long, so that will help it stick into the wall outlet and not fall out. We've got two USB-C ports and a USB-A port. We do have capability for 100 watts out of one of the USB-C ports. Okay, so let's test it, put it in a wall outlet. Okay, yeah, it definitely is in there a lot better. Yeah, it doesn't want to fall out. If I put something on it, it doesn't want to fall out. Okay, so I've got it plugged in. I've got a USB-C cable. It doesn't come with any cables, but I got a USB-C to USB-C. And here I can see this MacBook Air is charging at 100 watts. So that's going to be really nice to get my MacBook Air charged up really quick. And then that also leaves me another USB-C port and a USB-A port that I can charge other things with. But if I plug things into these other ports, I won't get a complete 100 watts out of the single port. Now it has built in this Active Shield 2.0. It intelligently monitors temperature 3 million times per day and adjusts the power output to safeguard your connected devices. Now there is a little chart on the side of the box that tells you, so you can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. And again, if you're just using one of the USB-C ports, you do have 100 watts out. But when you start plugging other things into it, it's the 100 watt max. So the USB-C ports are capable of 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 3 amps, 15 volts, 3 amps, 20 volts, 5 amps for 100 watts max. USB-A port, 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, 10 volts, 2.25 amps, 12 volts at 1.5 amp. So the USB-A port is 22.5 watts max. If all three are in use, you only get a total of 89 watts. Okay, let's go over size. It sticks out about 2 5/8 inch, and then up down is 1 3/4 inches. And again, it folds up for easily transporting this. Now it will super fast charge a Samsung phone. I got my S23 Ultra and it will do super fast charging. It will also do fast charging on an iPhone. So I really do like this Anker Prime 100 watt charger. It goes by model number A2688. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.